Okay guys, we've made some really great progress. I apologize, we have the engine and transmission in now. It just kind of sort of happened just because I had my uncle over and needed help. We have a whole bunch of new hardware in now. That looks pretty sweet. We have all of this pretty much connected. A lot of that is rebuilt now. And then I fed through the wires for the brake cables. And then now I'm just installing all these metal plate guards everywhere. Before I do this one though, I'm gonna put in the side panels. So we're gonna put in the side panels and kind of see a little more finished of a look for that. So I'm super excited about that. And then we can probably put in the windshield again right after that. So without further ado, let's get on to it today. How does it look?
Looks good, man.
You like it?
Looks good, yeah. Engine all in now?
Yeah, hardest part is finally. This honestly looks pretty solid. Look at that. That looks sweet. Awesome. Now let's just do the other side. Hopefully we can just pry that puppy in. Here we have the other side. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. We can kind of just slid in. It's a little dirty everywhere, but that's not a big problem. It should just wash off with a cloth. So now that we have those in, we can put in this one, I believe. So the cool thing about this is that this part of the project is actually the easiest. All these panels, literally I took out everything in 15 minutes. So it shouldn't take too much longer. Washer. Too short, I need the longer. Okay. Washer. Lock washer. Nut. Okay, we have all of the bolts painted for the suspension. That was a great way for it to come out. So now we just have to put the suspension in. So we got both the rears. This is one of the rears. Let's put them in and see what happens. Okay, so it literally took me like 3 hours. I couldn't even get it on camera, but look at that. Finally got the new one on. That thing is like monstrous. So this is currently holding down the frame, but once these two things are released, the frame will just expand even more so, and it'll have even more pressure on it. The reason why I can't do that yet is because I don't have anything to chock the wheels or the frame or anything, and I don't have brakes or an e-brake or anything. So I actually had to kind of anchor down the build, that way every time I was compressing the spring, it wasn't pushing the car frame forward. And then I had the jack that was sliding, and so then I had to put a towel underneath it, which you see right there, and that was able to work. So let's see if we can get the other side a little bit easier now. Woo! We just got those two rears on. Let's remove this block. This will be the first time seeing this on tires on the new frame in a long time. Holy crap. Look at that. It's literally, look at the contact patch. It's so jacked up in suspension that, man, that is stiff. Ooh, man. We might have to adjust that, but as for now, that thing looks monstrous. Like, wow. That is literally just, it's literally bowed. Look at that frame. Oh man, that might be too high. We'll have to see what happens.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this,